Hey, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm teaching you how to make a customized YouTube banner. So let's get started. Open up YouTube, sign in. You're going to click on Customize, Edit Channel Art, and then click on How to Create Channel Art. It'll open up a new page, and if you just scroll down, you need to click on Image Size and File Guidelines. If you right click on the image, save image as, and then save it as banner or whatever you want. I'll just save it to desktop. The photo editor I like to use is PicMonkey. Just open that up, select computer, desktop, and find out where you saved the banner size. Open it up. First thing you need to do is select resize, and you need to make sure you change dimensions to 2560, and then it'll automatically do by 1440, and click apply. Shaders area is the safe zone where your text will be able to show up on mobiles and desktop devices, and then tablet is a slightly lighter shade, and then the desktop max is the even lighter shade. Next, what you want to do is go to the little butterfly button and go to geometric, and you want to select the square. So we're just going to basically frame the darkest square so that then lets you know where your safe area is and you don't go over that. It's going to do the same again. The other side. Or duplicate graphic. Put it on the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as you mark out a safe area where you don't want to go over. Then next, what you want to do is go to Basic Edits, Canvas Colour, and I just like to stick a white background on just to cover up all the writing, so you've got a blank canvas to start with. So PicMonkey lets you add your own graphics. So what you want to do is go to Tumblr background. What I like to do is just make sure I select large, so that way it won't be pixelated when you make it bigger. So now we've got our Tumblr backgrounds all loaded. And I'm just going to select this one because I really like that image, it's really pretty. Save image as, desktop. And go back to PicMonkey. On the left hand side, add your own, My Computer, and then go back to where you've saved it. Now you will notice it'll sit over the top of your boxes that you just created, but you just want to right click and centre back. So you just want to make sure you open it out, widen the borders so that you're not missing half your image. And then what I next like to do is I like to get a nice colourful image, maybe a watercolour or just a nice skyline. So I really like this one. So I'm going to save image as, and go back to PicMonkey, add your own, My Computer, desktop, and scroll down to the picture that you just saved. And then just open it out. It will sit on top of your image, but what you want to do is select the blend modes, and then you can change how it looks. Next, what you want to do is go to text, select a font that you want. Now I love this because you've got loads of different options. And then add text, and then just type in your YouTube name. and then click off it, and then you can stretch it to how big you want it, the writing. What I want to do is I want to have it a little bit slanted across the page. So you just use that little circle at the top there and just position it where you want. And then what you want to do is select another text, something that's easy to read, because this will be for your channel description. Move it to where you want it, and then you're just going to write in whatever your channel's about. You just want to click off that, and then you can drag it to however big you want it. I just like to make it a little bit smaller, and then I just like to go back onto Tumblr and find an arrow. And then you just want to select an arrow that you want. So I'm just going to go with this one, it's quite nice. Save my jazz, and back to Bitmonkey. Select graphics button, which is a butterfly again, add your own, and then you can import your image. And you can also change the colour of it, so any text or anything you import, you can change it. So if you want it like any other colour, you just need to drag the scriber around. That should do. So that's all my writing done. A day with Ray, and tutorials, lifestyle and fashion and travel, because that's what my YouTube channel's about. Sometimes I like to add some pictures or flowers. So select some daisies. I like to keep it simple, just drag them in. And I'm going to have these down this bottom end, I think. I'm just going to drag a few of them, the ones that I like. Colours. I just like to overlap them randomly, like that. I'm also going to add in a little travel icon, so I like the north, east, south, west sign. I quite like that one, so I'm just going to save it. I'm going to go back in, add my own graphic, open. I'm also going to change weight spacing so it fits. And then sometimes when I've finished it, I'm not quite happy with how the background looks, so I just want to go in and get another wallpaper. Quite like that one, so I'm just going to save my jazz. Desktop, save. Go back to bitmonkey.com. I'm just going to bring it in. Stretch it out so that it fits. Change the blend mode to whatever you like. I quite like darker. And then when you finish, what you want to do is just delete all your borders. And then you can export to computer, and then save it. And then you can go back to YouTube and then select the photo that you want from your computer that you just edited. And then open, and then that's how it'll look when it comes up. And then you just select, and it'll come up on your screen. I will be posting more tutorials in the future, so if you like this one, please subscribe, and also check out my channel where I'll be posting vlogs on travel, lifestyle and fashion. Thanks for watching.